अस्सलामुअलैकुम पाकिस्तान, अस्सलामुअलैकुम अंकल। आज मेरा बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, बड़ा शॉर्ट वीडियो है ये। और क्वेश्चन ये है कि व्हाट वी हैव बीन लैकिंग इन द सिटीज़ ऑफ पाकिस्तान which we could benefit to people and the tourists. Yes, uncle, please give your comments.
Okay, Tahir. It's a very important topic, even it's a short video. What we are lacking, in the first place, I would say the most basic needs or necessities for public services. And you can call them the 3 T's. As once Junaid Jamshed, our pop artist, and then he became converted into a good alim, and he had his clothing brand. He was a successful businessman, and he got hidayat from Allah. May Allah have mercy on his soul and he rest in peace. I mean, he once mentioned the 3 T's, and those 3 T's are the famous 3 T's which I would be speaking for a few minutes. The public toilets. Toilets starts with the T. That was his first T. The second T is the public transport. It starts with the T as well. And the third one is tourism. Sayyahat jise kahenge. Why are we lacking in these important areas for any country which is underdeveloped or in a route of development? It's very shameful here to let the viewers and the people from this country to know, who still believe we can find out the solution for these things. It's about 60 or 70 years back then when there were more public bathrooms. There were spots, neat and clean and very beautiful places around Karachi city or Punjab or in Peshawar or in Quetta to hang out. Places like Ziyarat and places like the northern areas of Pakistan or the beach or Clifton, Manora and so many other things. Nice places. And there were established public bathrooms at the railway stations as well as at public places. In the governmental secretariat areas, there were bathrooms. In public places, in public parks, there were bathrooms. And that was the English design. Before English did it, and after that we couldn't maintain it, and we just destroyed it. So the building up of the bathroom has stopped, and it has stopped, and it has given a very bad impression for the coming in tourism, for international tourism, for local tourism. No facilities. If you are in a real need to use a bathroom or a public toilet, you don't get any. Even you go to Zabun-Nisa Street or to the bigger malls and bigger markets and all around the city, there are not much bathroom to fulfill the need of 3 crores of people who lives in Karachi. It's a shame. It's a big cosmopolitan city and no public bathroom. People have to find out a place like Masjid where you go for prayer, not to get your necessities off. It's shameful. The shops should have it. The restaurant should have it. Every common restaurant should have it. Every common place should have it. Public parks should have it. Libraries should have it. Everything. Every place there should be public bathroom. So is public transport, which you have just destroyed. In the English time, there were trams, buses, trains, well-set trains, circular railways. So many things were good for public transport, which you just destroyed. Now you have these chinchis and very badly designed rickshaws and these dirty looking ugly buses with all the tin and the steel and everything broken. Even your clothes get ripped off because it is so full, and the design of the conductor of the bus is so bad. It looked like you got him off of a whole, because he doesn't know even how to say hello or how to pick up a ticket or how to talk nicely to the crowd or to the public traveling in. It's an insult to the people who have gone to university, the schools, and because of some necessity don't have the transport and have to use or get to his office or his job to use that public transport. So it's shameful we have no public transport. The third one is tourism. The spot which I mentioned before, like Boat Basin, Clifton, Seaview, Manora, and some other Sandspit, and all this, they are all filling up with dirt and the sewerage of the city, and the water is getting all messed up with dirty smell and dirty garbage, and it's no more place to swim or to go or hang out or to enjoy the fresh air. So this is what we have done to our country, and these treaties, it's shameful, it's shameful, it's shameful that we really have to build these three things right on. It's an emergency. It's an emergency call. I'm calling you, I'm giving you the emergency call. It's a wake-up call. Please show some decency as a Pakistani. Pakistan is a nation, and you should be proud to say Pakistan Zindabad, not in the vague sense of the word. Because if you say Pakistan Zindabad, you are only left with to put your flag and salute it in front of a kachra kundi which is full of dirt and diseases and virus and garbage. That's where you are leaving the place for your anthem and for your flag. It is shameful, my friend. But I'm not hopeless. We are going to work on it immediately. If I have to speak more on it, we'll make another video with more examples, with more photographs and a little film, and let's see what we can do to get these three T's stand up, because these three T's make you, with the fourth T, that would be with a T, thanks Allah. God, please bless us to fulfill this need and to succeed in this project of building these treaties. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistani friends Zindabad, Pakistan ke bachcho Zindabad, Khuda Hafiz Pakistan. Let's continue with this effort. Thank you, Pakistan.